That's balanza. Say it one more time. Balanza. All right, let's sort of sway. So, esquiva. I'm going to face with you. You're going to troca. Come your elbow over your nose. Hold. With you. 6, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, Jack. Get up. Oh, 3, 2. Left side. Turn it up. Turn it up. 3. Get up, girl. Right side. Turn it up, brother. 3. On all these stretches, you can be up or you can be down. 5, 6. Turn it around. Left elbow down. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. Watch my ear. How many? How many? Left, right, left, hold. The right hand, bring it in. Get up. The left, the right, the left. Cat roll center up. 4, 3. Oh! Left foot step up, baby. Left foot. Right, here we go. Left, right, here we go. Jump, swing, jump. Jump, switch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No time. That's all right. That's all right. Get back. Got another time. Somebody asked this one. Eight more. 8. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Oh, balanza. The right hand, the left hand. Get down, push back, get down, push back, get down, push back, get down, push back. 6, 5, 4, 3. Right foot jingle. That's it. Option 1, high jig. The right, the left, the right. Now add a little flavor, girl.